Next honoree is Elizette Vasquez, who received her Bachelor of Arts in American Urban Studies.
Thinking back when I first came in to register at MCNY, I can honestly say, like some of you graduates here with me, I did not know what I was getting myself into. I was still in the beginning of my book called Life. I felt as though I was suffering from writer's block because I wasn't sure of how to begin my first chapter and proceed to the next. Thankfully, MCNY gave me the opportunity to learn. They pumped my heart with the confidence to pursue my bachelor's degree, and on graduation day, the confidence to move on. I began the second chapter of my life, college, with my mother, family, and son by my side. I had the determination and motivation to succeed. Fighting through many sleepless nights, going from notes to notes and textbooks to textbook, the exhaustion almost made me doubt the possibility of this day, our graduation day. You never really know the potential you possess until you are fighting for it and going through it. So with my head held high, and with my eyes and ears shut, I handed in that report and I passed that test fighting not to fall asleep. I'm sure many of you have been in this position as well. So now I look back at all the sacrifices I've made and the struggles I went through just to hand in that paper, or just to make sure I covered every little detail that will be on that test. I'm sure I speak for every graduate here today as I stand in front of faculty, staff, parents, and family members and proudly say it was all worth it. So on behalf of all the graduates here today, I would like to thank you all for helping us make the right decision, guiding us in the right direction, keeping us motivated, and supporting us in every step of the way. And of course, to my fellow classmates, for we all helped each other in one way or another. With every wrong answer one of us made, we all learned the correct answer. Now we stand here today, ready to end this chapter of our life, after filling it with excitement and adventure at Metropolitan College of New York. But before I turn the page, I would like to thank my mother and family who always stuck by my side and supported me all the way. My son, who was my main motivation to accomplishing my degree. This is for you, baby, and for our future. And lastly, thanks to the Welfare to Careers program who helped pay for all of these years of my knowledge. Congratulations, graduates. More knowledge and confidence to write a bigger and better chapter in our lives.